Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, my World Upon Wheels, retired World Bike Tour. My much better half is currently driving a rental vehicle. We are headed west on Interstate 70, crossing the Missouri River. I can see that there is going to be a new river bridge that is being built to accommodate the increased traffic of Interstate 70, one of the busiest east-west routes in interstates in the USA. I kind of got that off a little bit there.
Are you still filming?
Yes, it is under construction right now.
Think they're going to expand the highway?
I think across this floodplain, yes. So far, the day has turned out to be not bad. It's not raining, it's not too windy,
Or too
it's
humid?
overcast, not terribly as humid as possible, but it's all right. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, my World Upon Wheels, our World Bike Tour. I'm definitely not bike touring right now. Que tengan buen día. Adios.